So yes, it's another Saturday. This is just a cheeky reminder to let you know that Drop a Link Day is happening today. Well, we always get to do that from Mondays to Sundays, and we have special, amazing people in this amazing original team of 7. Pandy Hair Cares and More, Be Amazing Sylvia, Just Eraser, Boss Life Online, Team Ranger, Vengeance Closet, and Clee and Mills TV. I come up every Saturday at 8 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. I take that again, 8 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. So that's what's going down today. And like we always say, when there's an original, there'll definitely be a fake. But you know the real deal. You know the real deal. So join us today again and get to grow your channel. All about Drop a Link Day is immediate results. Are you ready? Join our team and you'll be glad you did. All the names are going to be down in the description box with their dates and timing, and you can just get on Google and know which time works for you better, so you always go there. Tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend that is going down on YouTube, and things are made easy for you. Yes, you. We make it so simple and easy. Come along with 2 gadgets if you can, and get a notepad or a sticky note, something, whatever you can write on, so that you can put those names down, because if people are not loyal, would make them learn how to be loyal. Stay connected. Get to like, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you get all our updates from the team. See you today.